Today I'm showing you AI agent manus that can create magnificent presentations. Check it out. It got us a full presentation that consists of 10 slides. It's perfect how to make a cake. Well, it looks pretty good. So I open the website and you can see here we can write the text we want, and most importantly we can create the presentations. Also, when you will log in into the site, they will give you 1000 credits, plus you will receive 300 every day. As you can see here, we already have a prompt. It was given here by default. So let's test it. As it said, you're a university professor preparing to teach an introductory course on machine learning to undergraduate computer science students. Please create a comprehensive and engaging lecture presentation. So I will click send and we will see what will we receive. He is working, and even we got tips. While Manus is working, you can send messages anytime to modify task, add information or stop current work. Feel free to leave this page. Manus will continue working in the background and notify you when the task is complete. Let's close enable browser notifications. As we can see, this AI is just googling what's going on here, visiting websites and creating the presentation, like copying the text. I'll probably be back when he finishes the task, because as I see, it will take a lot of time. So yeah, see you in the future.
2,000 years later.
So after around 20 minutes, it got us a full presentation that consists of 10 slides. Let's check it out. And we can see the first slide. For now, it looks very legit. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, the reinforcement learning, brief history of ML, applications of machine learning, image recognition, natural language processing, recommendation systems, healthcare, fraud detection, autonomous vehicles. Yep, conclusions and future outlook. So for me, this presentation looks very solid. And also, like, you can see the code here for this slide. Very interesting. So what can we do with it? We can download it. Wow, we can actually download it in PPTX, PDF, convert to Google Slides, save to Google Drive, save to OneDrive, or like personal or work school. But probably most of you will use PPTX. Alright, let's download the PPTX one. I will show the actual result in PowerPoint in a few seconds. So I opened the presentation in PowerPoint. As we can see, the first slide looks kinda good, but if we'll switch to the second one, we'll see that the text here is kinda fucked up. It's written all over the place, like, what is this? Why does this happen? Like, if you go to the third slide, the same situation, unfortunately. Like, even on the fourth slide, we can see, like, text here, which is not supposed to be here. And the slides are made in some strange resolution, like, they're not 16 to 9. They're probably like 4 to 3 or something like that. So, I'm highly suggesting you saving files only in PDF format, or I don't know, maybe you can save to Google Slides and that will look good. I can probably test it. So now I downloaded in PDF. As we can see, the first slide is also looks good. Then we'll see like the second one. It's perfect, like nothing is standing in places where it's supposed to be. Like everything looks the same. The only thing I can see here is that this diagram, it's actually not showing the graph that was previously shown. But if you not take this into account, it looks good. Like anyway, you can fix it by yourself. So yeah, as you can see, like everything looks good except this one slide where this theme is not shown properly, but you can always do it by yourself and like place it up on this. So, and consider it that it's only took 20 minutes to make this presentation without making anything. Like the whole AI made it, like without any human interaction. So for me, the result is pretty impressive because, like, if you will create the same presentation by yourself, you will probably spend around 2 hours for this. So, you know. So, you're probably wondering how much does this presentation cost me? So, at the beginning of the video, we had 1000 credits plus 300 daily. So it only took us 253 credits to create this presentation. So basically you can create one presentation per day. For me this sounds kinda good, especially if you are sitting on a free plan, so you don't need to pay anything to create this. It can be used in very different ways, like creating presentations for your school, for university. I don't know, even if you are working, like, you can use it. Of course, you'll probably need to tweak some things, but it will be much easier for you anyway. So let's test something new. Now I will create a presentation about how to make a cake, and let's see how it will look. And probably I will use an agent for this, so we can see the differences. And it starts working. You see? Now visiting all these websites, analyzing the information. Yep, he's visiting websites, scanning them, copying the information. Dead internet theory, guys, as you can see. Alright, I'll come back when it finishes. So, our presentation is ready. Let's scroll up and see how it looks. Well, it looks pretty good, you know? Actually, it looks amazing. Like, the color palette suits the topic. The fonts are also good. This I actually find icons to put here, like sugar, we have sugar cubes, eggs, we have eggs, like for butter, we have butter, and all of them are in the same color. That's actually pretty nice. But one thing I see in the first slide, like you can see in this sentence, like this star is probably supposed to be here, but for some reason AI agent put it here. But it's not important. We have a recipe for a cake. What tools do we need? How to create a cream. I have all the steps how to bake it. It looks kinda good to me. So I don't know, I need to download the PDF and see how it will look. And actually when you're downloading, for some reason when you click first time, it will not download, so you need to click the second time to download the presentation. Alright, I open the file. We can see, like, for now at least everything is on their spots. Yeah. For now everything is good, you know? Very nice. You can say that it's too short, and I can agree on it. But for free tool that creates presentations, it looks very nice. And it uses probably images from Google. I don't see any AI generated images. Every picture looks real. As you can see, like, it even has some watermark. Yeah, the pictures are legit here. So it's good. Looks pretty clear, pretty nice for me. If you are new here, subscribe to learn more information about AI.